Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are here on Lake of the Ozarks in Osage Beach, Missouri. So today we're gonna try to get on the crappie with one of my favorite spots I like to come to. Of course, you see guys, we got the boat out here today. I'm gonna show you different techniques on how I like to fish for crappie. Some jigging with jig heads, some minnows, and fishing with minnows underneath the bobber. And we're gonna get out there. Little man here, we're gonna try to get him on some fish, and stay tuned. Alright guys, so what I'm going to be using today is a Ugly Stik 6-foot medium action GX2. I have it paired up with an Garcia 30 series reel. So I had this combo for a little bit. It's one of my my little crappie fishing combos. I use this when I'm fishing with my kids and also when I'm fishing for crappie. I had a reel spooled up with I think about 10-pound and 20-pound mono, and that's pretty much it. Simple little setup. You can use this for pan fishing and for crappie fishing. So this is my setup I'm going to be using for today. Alright guys, we got the first fish of the day. Nice little crappie. I just threw out maybe like 30 seconds ago, and it's a donkey, baby. Woo. Oh yeah, look at that joker. Doggone slap. Let's get him in the measuring thing right here. Sorry, I'm a little unorganized. That was the first rod we threw out. So we got our measuring tool. Put this guy in here. What you got? What you see? Oh yeah. 12-incher. Nice slab. So today guys, I don't think I'm keeping any fish. We got a freezer full. As you guys already know, we fish out here all the time. But I don't think I'm gonna let this guy go so he can get a little bit bigger. Ooh, y'all. Let's catch another slab, baby. Get him. Get him. Get him. Come on. Get him. There you go. Got him? Good job. Hold on. Got him gill hook. Alright guys, another slab in the boat. I gotta do a little surgery on him, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we got another one. Nice little slab. Talking about, baby, Bama vet fishing. We out here on him. Let this guy go. Let's catch another one. So where I get my minnows from, I get them from this little store that's nearby. It's ran by a veteran also. The name of the store is a little store, and they sell minnows. They sell any type of little small convenience items that you guys may need. So I know I'm gonna try to go get my ice or minnows from them whenever I can. So I'm trying to show the veteran community some love too. Guys out here own their own business, so I'm trying to support veterans as much as I can. Be on them guys. These minnows and these crappie, they in here. Another slab for the bucket. Don't let them go. Got another one. Nice little, probably 9 or 10-incher. Here we go. All I'm doing, guys, is every time I throw in, I throw down alongside the tree trunk, and that's where the crappie is sitting at. They sitting right underneath that tree, waiting on any little shad or anything to fall. I come underneath the tree, and I set the rod down, and just like that, you get a bite. And you watch the barber, I think that's a bite right there. Yep, there we go. We got another one. This feels like a bigger fish. Oh yeah, we got a slab, baby. He was sitting right under that tree. Big old white crappie. Ooh, look at that guy. Uh-oh. You need some slime on you, buddy. Come on, stop moving. There you go. Yeah, you got him. See, we got him. Yeah, we got him. Big old slab, huh? See him? You want to measure him? You want to measure him? All right, let's measure him. Woo, barely 12 inches. So 11 and like some change. Almost 12. Let him go. Got another one. Nice little slab right there. All right, so what we got right here is a 1/16 ounce Strike King chartreuse jig head. And this is one of the things I like to use. Sometimes I use them with a jig. Sometimes I use them just on minnows because it helps with the hook set. So all I'm about to do is tie it on with my 6-pound Mr. Crappie. That's on my Mr. Slab stick. So all I do with my minnow, some people like to hook them through the eyes. Some guys like to hook them through the tail. What I do, I hook them right here through the bottom of the lip. And I go out to that little nostril right there. You don't want to go up too high because their brains are right there. That's how you can kill them a lot quicker. And my mom's the one who got me into fishing. She took me when I was his size, and I was sitting in a little chair in the bank with the bobber and a little cane pole. I recommend starting your kids off while they're young fishing. I learned a lot of skills from fishing, a lot of valuable lessons about conservation and where my food comes from and things like that from just being outdoors and fishing. So if you really think you might want to get into this with your children, I highly recommend it. Like, it's one of those bonding moments also that you can have with your children while you're out in the water. So ain't nothing like it. Just like that, guys, we got one. And this on that rig we just tied up. Nice little crappie. Look like they might be spawning on there, baby.
You think so? Oh, yeah.
They might be spawning on there. Might be doing a second spawn for the year. Goes the minnow. Like, I tied them up in the right little strike zone. Nice little guy. Another little deformed. Look, see him?
Where?
In the back.
Oh, yeah.
He's deformed a little bit. I don't know what's going on out here at OSAGE Beach, but he got some deformed fish out here. See, there you go, got another one. That's why these bigger fish are sitting underneath these brush piles right now. There we go. Another one. Nice little nice little white crappie. Let's catch another one. Oh yeah, guys, we got a nice one. That thing, it's a donkey. Look at this guy. Woo. He might be the biggest one of the day. 12 inches. 12 and a half. Donkey. Letting him go. So guys, I switched it up a little bit. I went and grabbed one of my Barbie Garland jigs and put it on the jig head. Got a nice little white crappie right here. Not a big guy like we've been catching, but nice little guy. A little fun size catching. Let's throw him back. We can get another one up out of here off of this tree. Got another one on the Barbie Garland, guys. They liking this baby shad color with this chartreuse jig head. Baby shad color with Barbie Garland. And then There you go. Speaks for itself. Come on back. Nice. Donkey, baby. Nice donkey. You see that slab? Nice little white crappie. Probably like 11, 12 inches. Look at that back straps and them shoulders, baby. You lucky today you ain't keeping. This guy back. Boom, that's how you do it. Oh yeah, Slab City. Yep, Slab City, man. They're having a feeding frenzy under there right now. Another nice little 11, 12 inch right here.
You want to see it, Mace?
You want to see? It's fish? Yeah, the fish. Fish, yep. You ready to let it go? You want to kick out? Yay! Got him? Good job. All right, let's take a look. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in to another video today. I know you've seen all the awesome action, all the slabs, all the donkeys we just caught. So please like, subscribe, bell notification. So I appreciate all the support that you guys have been showing me so far. This is my dream to get this thing off the ground, and I'm loving all the support. So a couple things I want to shout out. I want to shout out my fiance behind the camera for doing a great recording job today. And I also want to shout out Logix baits. I didn't get a chance to do a lot of bass fishing today, but they got some pretty cool baits, you guys. They sent me these in the mail, a couple of t-shirts. So they're looking forward to adding me as a pro staff member. If you guys want to check out any of their merchandise or purchase anything, you can use my promo code BamaVet15 or BamaVet15, and you can get up to 15% off your total purchase. So if you guys want to go over there and check their stuff out. But I didn't get a chance to use any of it today, but please shout those guys out and go check out their merch. Other than that, stay tuned for more vids. BamaVet fishing out. Oh my God, he had it gone.
Yeah, put it on the truck. This way. Feels good. Mace, you say bye?
Bye.